Imagine your marketing strategies empowered with artificial intelligence that brings together creativity, data, and automation to produce tangible results. This course, AI for Digital Marketing Specialists, delivers the practical knowledge and hands-on experience you need to boost your campaigns and drive success. It's all about cutting through the noise and giving you straight-to-the-point strategies that work in the real world. When you dive into this training, you'll learn how to use smart tools that predict consumer behavior and fine-tune every detail of your marketing strategy. Instead of spending countless hours on repetitive tasks, you'll discover how to free up your time for high-level decisions and creative brainstorming. The content is designed to be clear and actionable without any unnecessary filler, so you can implement what you learn immediately. Notably, most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. This extra credential ensures you're not just learning theory, but building a skill set that stands out in today's dynamic industry environment. As you master these tools and techniques, you'll find yourself more confident in handling campaigns that demand innovation and precision. Continuous updates keep you in the loop with the latest methods and technologies, ensuring that your skills remain relevant in a changing marketplace. You can find all AI for Digital Marketing Specialists training courses on CompleteAItraining.com and take the next step in elevating your marketing career.